up right where we left off. Speedrunning a Hardstyle track part 2. Probably the break or something, I don't know. Perhaps a build-up? Okay, so last time we made this melody. You get the gist. But the melody does not make a hardstyle track. For hardstyle track we need actual arrangement, a break, a vibe, a fuck y'all, you know what I mean. So, first things first, remove the bass. We don't need this bass in this pattern, it's annoying as fuck. The reason I don't want to bass right there is because if I want to have the leads somewhere, with drop perhaps, we have kicks and that's all the bass we need at that moment. So yeah, this is a bit of prevention. It also gives us a nice little shortcut to making a break and arranging shit. So for the drop I'm guessing this would be long enough, so the same melody twice, because we're original. Cool. For the break, also 2 times 8. And for the build-up I'm guessing perhaps we need just 8 bars. And just to make it clear in my head, I'm just gonna arrange it like this for now. Good enough for me. Okay, we're gonna start making the vibe of the break. And I have no clue how to begin, which is great, because then you get to see me struggle, which might be fun. I'm starting off with making a simple arp. This is also from the Serum bank. Fruity and myself are selling. Let's see. Lead Sandstorm. This is my favorite way to make a not sandstorm. I'm guessing squarish lead. Oh, whoa. Yeah. No. I forget a lot when I try to record. Ah, okay, it is Sandstorm. This is my favorite way to make a plug for an ARP if you don't know. It's just ripping off a nice preset. Okay. Let's see, okay, the melody was triplet, so let's make the ARP triplet as well. Because I don't want to get killed by Kevin. Let's see, let's establish the chords we have. I could just rip them off, but this might be faster if I turn off the monologato thing. Shut the fuck. Good enough. Now we know what we're working with. Let's move this to a lead. We're not gonna play it, it's just for reference. Because we need that. And now it's time to make an ARP. Cool. If you don't know, guys, an ARP is a little bell rhythm thingy that just spices up the whole track. If you didn't know, you're welcome. And I want them all to start in the same range, so it flows a bit easier. And I'm basically picking up the notes from the chord with an extra note. So it's not special. If you're new to making music and you're wondering why I'm doing this so fast and how I learned to do that, it's because I'm better than you, and also it's experience. Also keep in mind, if I say I'm better than you, you must know I'm joking. I'm not confident enough to claim that title, even though I deserve it. Good enough. Why did I do that? Control A, Control X, Control V. Same shortcuts as pretty much everything in Windows. So that's why FStudio is great. Let's remove these, because we don't need them yet. Let's automate the crap out of this. So, wiggle wiggle, automation clip. I forget to set the parameters of where I want this to happen. That base is annoying as fuck. Let's automate it. Perhaps a nice low cut. I made the same mistake twice. Call me genius. Let's change something about the arrangement. I want break, lead introduction, build up, then the actual drop. So, like this. Also, let's make the bass kick in. Like. Okay, this doesn't work for me right now. It sounds boring and dull. Oh yeah. We really need to figure out what we want to do with the break. So, for that, please leave suggestions. It would help out a lot. Yeah, this bothers me a lot, actually. So, I'm gonna steal this and use this rhythm for the bass. Let's see. New. Sounds lame. Yeah. Let's do a little bit of sound design. I want an 808 because it's weird for this. That's why I want it. So, for making an 808, you need a sine wave. Lovely. We need to make a pitch bend to make the attack. I lost the ball thingy. Cool. Distortion. And this is also where you notice all your mistakes. This might have been a mistake. Live and learn. And fuck it, I'm gonna leave it in because that's the whole point. I'm not cutting any footage. I still don't like it though. Let's try something else. Definitely not. Ah, fuck it, I'm gonna make a supercell bass quickly, which is... It's actually really simple. Direct out means it's means the sound right out of this oscillator will not go through the FX chain, which is nice if you want to distort it and you want to keep the sub clean. I'm gonna add a cutoff filter because I like those. Yeah, I do not like this at all. I'm gonna keep it as an init. This might not have been the most useful video ever, but it's honest. We could even, I'm over time already, but we could even do like one of these disco basses, which is fun, I suppose. Like. Yeah, let's do this. Cool. So that's all for this video. Leave suggestions for what to do with the break, what to do with the whole track in general.